Hello, the show is up. So if you have time, and you don't want to miss a really good show, come see this one. It's Norway, Crete, Portugal, and Spain. These are participants that traveled with me this year and a half. So we went to Crete, Norway, Portugal, and Spain, and really had a great time. Next year we're off to Puglia and 2 Croatian trips where we have our own yacht. So if you're interested, get back to us. You can go to tiernotours.com or you can go to alex.yellowbarn@gmail.com. So here's our information. Just going to let you see something about our workshops. We still have 2 rooms to the Dolomites and Venice, leaving on September 2nd. So you may want to join us, but this is the one that we have to Croatia, and we have 2 trips, one in June, at the end of June, and one in September. So they're both close to being full, so if you're interested, let us know. But these are the works that you're going to see in this show, and truly, they're really remarkable. I think you're going to see some really fine work by the participants that travel with me, and I think that the variety of styles, I think, is one of the things that we have. I mean, most of these people are experienced. We do have a few beginners that travel with us, but truthfully, I think the great majority of them have painting experience, and they really want to go to these places and do work, and are inspired by these different locations. So I think that when you look at the ideas and the quality of the work, you're going to see that it's pretty good. Don't miss this show. It really has some really remarkable painting in it, and I think this will give you an idea of some of the work that we have here. And like I said, a lot of different styles, a lot of different techniques. We've already sold work, which we haven't even opened. We're going to be opening tomorrow from 12 to Saturday, okay, August 3rd from 12 to 7 p.m. We have our artist reception from 5 to 7, and if you want to come by and take a look at the work or join us for a reception, that'd be great. I think we're looking forward to it. This is sort of like a reunion for the people who have traveled on these workshops. It's proven to be really a remarkable experience, and the students really make a lot of friends, as well as produce the quality of the work that you're seeing here. So it's something that you might think about. And we're getting ready for our fall registration at the Yellow Barn Studio. You can go to yellowbarnstudio.com on August 7th, because that's when registration starts. So these are the works. I think that it's pretty unique with all these varieties. I've been doing these workshops since 1976, so if you want to know how many I've done, more than 100, of course, all right, of international workshops. And I think probably even more than that, to tell you the truth. I haven't really counted. But this will give you an idea of what the participants did on the workshop. And I think you'll see quite a variety. So this is let me straighten this one up a little bit. We'll get ready for our show for tomorrow. As I said, the gallery is only open 2 days, from 12 to 7 on Saturday, August 3rd, and from 12 to 6 p.m. on Sunday, and that's August 4th. And if you're not familiar with the Yellow Barn, it's in Glen Echo, Maryland. That's near Bethesda. And I think, it's an oasis. It's a national park. We're in Glen Echo Park. So come on by. We're almost to the end, and it took us a while to set the show up, but we're getting ready for tomorrow. It's a big day. So give you an idea of what you have in store if you come to look at the work. The prices are really reasonable, and I think there's quite a variety. Into the landscape painting, you're going to find some really remarkable pieces. But with that, I'm going to say goodbye, and hope you'll join us tomorrow, August 3rd, from 12 to 7 p.m. As I said, the artist reception is from 5 to 7, and then on Sunday from 12 to 6 p.m. With that, I'm going to say goodnight. Thank you all for listening, and hope to see you at the Old Barn.